So we're down to 20%, which means that probably got another 5 minutes out of this video thing, and I gotta shut it off. So, but 101 it reminds us that it's at 10%. So now we are about 13 minutes away. All right. That's crazy. It's like, it almost looks like it's black and white, but it's not. It's just a really, like, dark with colors. Like the ground looks like it's black and white, but yeah, more like a grayish type thing. Yeah, I remember walking by that thing. Oh, what fun, look at that hill. Ooh, Lord Almighty. Breaking a sweat over here. At least there's a nice chill. Nice little wind chill. That's always good. water. So I need. I'd like to believe I'm almost back there. Yeah. From a distance, you would think that was like a car or something. But it's not. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there. Alright. What fun. Another big hill. That was crazy. Because it looked a lot different back there. It looked nothing like that when I saw it. Mirages around here. Holy shit. Alright, we're almost home. I think I went too long on that last one, but that's alright. Estimated arrival time. I don't know. I'm hoping within the next 10 minutes. Hoping this is the last tree I still have to walk up. Shit, I keep slipping on these rocks. Holy crap. Can't wait till I get back up there. Or at least away from these rocks. Yeah. This pavement is bad. Boy, that's quite a long walk going down there. I remember the last time I walked for this long up a hill. But that's alright. I need the exercise anyways. Let's get back to where I was before. Just takes a while. Hey. I feel like I'm gonna be on this walk forever. That's alright. I should sit down and take a break, but I want to just keep walking, keep going, keep moving up. We're almost there. Once I see that truck, I can be like, oh yeah, we're getting closer and closer. Oh yeah. I think that's the end of the hills. I think. I might be like ride a bike down this thing. Probably nice to get down to the rocks. Then you probably fucking trip on them or something. I don't know. But yeah. There's a car. Should probably move over here. I thought I heard a car. Too bad they weren't going to just around and be like, oh, hop in. I've been like, yeah, I'll hop in. I'll go for a little ride, a little cruise. Where are we going? We're going over to Sullivan's. Oh boy. I love Sullivan's. Oh man. Lord have mercy. So, let's say we've been walking maybe 17 minutes. We're close to it. I don't know. 30. Okay, like 16 minutes maybe. I don't know. Yeah, almost 17 by the 10-minute mark. Oh, Lord. Almost there. Oh, there comes a car. Oh. Shit. damn, some people don't fucking wave. Those people are dressed like they are fucking better than everyone else. So they can go fuck themselves. Honey, did you pack the diapers? Yes, I did. Oh, Lord. I know, we're almost there. I think we're almost there. I could easily be wrong, but figure since I've been walking for 18 minutes, it's there. So Lord only knows. I got a swarm of mosquitoes behind me again. Fuck. Okay, I'm more certain that it's right around this corner. Let's find out. Oh my god, there's no mosquitoes in sight, and then they just come out of nowhere. Damn, it's further walk than I thought it would be. But I think I see the trailer. I see something white over there. I'm more certain that's a trailer. It's hard to kind of tell. Oh yeah, that's it. I can kind of see his truck now. I think I'm looking at his truck. I'm surprised the video let me record for this long. I would assume that at any moment it's gonna say low power. Yeah, that's it. Oh, good Lord.